What's good, YouTube? Andre Reyes back with another video, and today marks my 3-month update. I'm getting my FUE hair transplant at Asli Tarcan. As usual, I want to thank everyone who's liked, comment, subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, going back and watching my old videos where I break down step by step of getting a hair transplant and my progress up to this point. Now, I know I missed my 2.5-month update. As you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm not at my desk, which I liked being at and had the good lighting. I am home in sunny Florida, Bradenton, Sarasota area. I'm at home in the backyard, poolside, waiting for the football to start. I missed my 2.5-month update because anybody in Florida, you guys know there was a big hurricane not too long ago, and that's right when I got home. So prayers goes out to Venice because it was supposed to hit the area I'm living in, but it hit under where there was a lot of flooding and a lot of destruction. So I really wasn't focused on getting my 2.5-month update. But now we're here at 3 months. So I guess the biggest change is that you can see more growth. It's getting thicker. My native hair is kind of growing over the transplanted area, which helps cover it up. As you can see, my temple points are starting to come in. I'll show you guys my hair in more of an arm's length view and a close-up view, just so you can see that the hairline is starting to get structured, which is exciting. I know everyone freaks out with that 3rd month and they're like, oh man, it's not working. And I feel the same way. You're constantly in the mirror, you're constantly looking at your hair. It's like, damn man, is this shit actually working or not? So for reassurance, I just go watch like people with similar skin tone and similar hair, especially like Onagadin. I kind of see where their progress is at 3 months, and where I am and where they were, I mean, I'm right on track. It kind of gives you some type of reassurance. You're just still heading in the right direction, still early. As far as my donor area, it is still a little patchy. Honestly, hopefully it gets better. I'm gonna start derma rolling. I gotta order a derma roll to kind of break up the scarring, and maybe it can help thicken that hair back there. Everything's pretty much the same. I'm on the same supplements and kind of just doing the same routine. Life has been flying by. I mean, I moved back home, which is extremely stressful, and but I've been working out. And with that, if you guys are interested not only in getting your hair back, but getting in good shape, I'm on the road to losing 52 pounds in about 3.5 months. So I've already lost a good amount. I'll be posting my workouts, my macros, and my cardio, and just my regimen in general that I've been doing to lose the weight, so I can help you guys not only get in shape, get your hair back, but just be healthier and feel better. I'm gonna show you guys my hair. Like I said, it's a arm's length view away, and then we're gonna do a close-up. So as you can see, there's just stuff growing in. And now I'm not too worried about my donut area. Now I'm leaning more towards and seeing if my crown's gonna fill in. I got the whole top of my head done. If you guys watch my previous videos, you guys seen that. Hopefully it all grows in, and hopefully it thickens up. I have a mirror that has a far view and a zoomed in view. When I do the zoomed in view on my crown, I see a lot of growth happening, which is weird because it usually starts in the front and it slowly moves its way back. But hey, I can't complain, man. If that crown comes in, from that 6th to 8th month mark is where they get that real density and the crown starts to fill in, even from that 8 to 12 month mark. So if I can get, you know, some density coming in around 4 months, 5, 6, 7 months, I'm happy, man. Yeah, so we're moving in the right direction. If you're on your hair transplant journey, good luck. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my previous videos. Get caught up to where we're at. I will not miss a half-month update, so don't worry. I always see people when I was trying to decide whether I wanted a hair transplant or not, and I hated when they missed those months. So I understand, and I'll see you guys in my 3.5-month update. Thank you for watching.